Okay, today's repair is an iron burn. And an iron burn. And an iron burn. So we get a good practice in doing iron burn repairs today, and you get a good look at it. Here we have the first step of the repair completed, where we cut out the damaged portion. And again, there's number 2 and repair number 3. So now we'll prep the area and get the insert piece ready, and we'll show you the next step. Okay, here you can see the next step is ready. The piece to be inserted has been cut for each of the 3 holes, 3 burn marks, and ready to install each one. Okay, here we have the repaired piece just to the right of the piece that was put out, and it is virtually invisible other than a slight color difference. Move up to the second one, and again we have the repaired piece to the right of the piece that was taken out, and other than the color difference, you would never find it. It's virtually invisible. And we'll move to the third one, which hasn't been done yet, and you can see that the piece taken out is to the right and the piece going in to the left, and the repair is being prepared with seaming tape for the new repair to be seamed in, which we'll complete, and we'll show you to complete this video. Okay, here we go. We have the completed carpet repair on the third one, and we can come back to the second one again, and the first one, and there we have iron burn carpet repairs.